Welcome to the Course Planning and Design short series. This guide will cover how to identify the course aim and how to use aims, objectives, and outcomes in your course plan. The aim of a course is the overall outcome that the course creator wants to achieve. This needs to be thought of carefully, as it needs to match the aim of a learner who is planning on taking your course. For example, if I am planning a course on canine first aid, and the aim of the course is how to correctly administer first aid to a dog in an emergency, this needs to be the same aim as the learner enrolling on the course. If this is not the case, then it means that the learner is in the wrong place and this course is not for them, or you have positioned your course at the wrong type of client. How would you know if your aims are aligned? Well, that's easy. It is all through your initial messaging and course title. This clearly needs to outline the aim of the course at the beginning, so that all potential learners are clear what the course is about. Examples of course aims in the title of the course: 5 quick and easy hair-up styles for a busy mum, or how to plan and create your first online course, or you could have how to create an easy sleep routine for your whole family. Your title for the course or training is often the aim of the training. This way you know that you are going to attract learners that are anticipating the course content will be aligned to their aims too. You will also find the course aim in the introduction of the course. For example, this course is designed to help you connect with your ideal client, or this course was put together to help you get a better night's sleep. Next, I am going to talk about some examples of course objectives that match the course aims. You can then see how the aim of the course and the course objectives work together. Course title: First Aid for Wildlife Emergencies. Course aim: in this course we will explore the basic first aid requirements for wildlife and what to do in a first aid emergency. Course objectives for this course aim could be: 1. Identify a wildlife emergency. 2. Recognize the rules of wildlife first aid. 3. Risk assessments for first aiders. 4. Identify 5 signs an animal needs first aid. 5. Understand the need to adhere to biosecurity in first aid. 6. Apply basic first aid techniques for the most common first aid emergencies in wildlife. How to use your aim, objectives, and outcomes to structure your course. Firstly, what is the difference? We have already discussed what an aim is in relation to course creation, an overall, broad and brief description of what the course is about. Now to look at the difference in use of objectives and outcomes. Put simply, objectives help instructors plan the course. Outcomes show what students learned. Objectives and specific, measurable actions that are planned for the learner to do in order to meet the aim of the course. The outcomes are the evidence and demonstrable gaining of skills or knowledge. When planning a course, the objectives will help you structure tasks, a bit like a roadmap, to support the learner to achieve the aim of the course. Objectives need to be clear, person-centered, and action-oriented. Plan between 5 to 8 objectives per course. Outcomes and expectations. Outcomes help the learner to understand the value of the course, but must be treated with caution as they cannot be too specific. If they are, then some learners may not be able to achieve them. You can choose not to include outcomes of a course. Personally, I think it helps learners to visualize the reasons why they should take the course and what they could achieve. Once you have written down your course aim, considered how you want to break down the course into deliverables through the course objectives, and considered a course outcome, you are well on your way to planning your first course. For a free PDF version of this guide, go to the bio section below and click Free PDF. Email us at courses@learnachieve.succeed.com.